Hi everyone, with me today I have the Smith & Wesson Extreme Folding Knife. This is a 3.1 serrated clip point blade with an aluminum handle. So let's take a look at how it works. I got it in the color black, but there is also a different one if you would like to check it out. And this one is the #1 best-selling knife in fixed blade hunting knives. So take a look, you guys. So you have this little clip here, so you can clip it onto your belt, onto your pants, keep it by your side. It is awesome. Here on the side is where you're going to pull it up, and there we go. Not only do you have the straight blade, but the serrated one as well on the bottom, and as you can hear, it locks into place so you can use it regularly. So let's take a look at how well it cuts. So here with me I have just a standard sheet of paper, and I want to test out the knife. So let's just slide it through and see if it cuts like paper. Take a look, you guys. This thing is for sure super sharp, so you want to be careful. It does have the locking mechanism, as I mentioned before. It cuts incredibly, and to close it, all you got to do is pull this to the side like so and start lowering the blade, and then you can close it all the way down, tucked away safely, you guys. I definitely recommend this. 10 out of 10. It is incredible.